Tilt forward.
The day is here. We're putting a gun in the T-62. So the gun is ready to go in. That's what's gonna happen today. Yep, that thing is all ready. Right, and this is where it's gonna go. It's gonna go right here. Right back into here. Alright, this is it. These right here, this is the spot for those trunnion blocks. I'll show those to you on the gun right now. It basically it just falls right in here, and then there's this wedge that goes, I believe it's on top, and then there's a wedge and then a bolt. Yep, that's it. And the bolt goes out there. Already put grease on it. Oh, I shouldn't have touched it. And these are the wedges that I was talking about. That's what goes on top. And these here are the blocks. You see, they've been greased up too, so ready to go in.
So we're at the point now where we're ready to reinstall the gun into the turret. So we have initially the two T-62s, the Iraqi one and the Syrian one. The end goal was to move this gun out of the Iraqi turret and reinstall into the Syrian turret, which is this whole gun has been rebuilt and worked over. So now we're ready to reinstall.
This is pretty cool how they hooked up the gun this time. Basically the gun is really pretty well balanced. So as long as you got that wedge on the top, and pretty much this fork holds the entire gun. That's a cool setup.
Can you go up a bit or tilt back?
Look at that. Looks like that will go through much faster today. Okay. This is a little bit of an unusual way of doing this. Probably not the way factory does it, but it's damn cool, I think. Alright, looks like guys are trying to, now they need to secure the gun because they need to readjust the position of the forks.
What?
Alright, so we're getting there. About, they repositioned everything. Chain to secure the barrel so it doesn't drop accidentally. Alright, here they are. Now it's time to secure it up at the front. This is a live gun. Live. It will fire.
my life has left some bruises and a few unspoken scars that we don't talk about.
She wants us to go down and get their steward. Up. What?
Almost there.
Inch and a
Nearly
half.
there.
Up.
Yeah. I can see it. Okay, up.
Inch.
Oh. Oh.
No, you're good.
We gotta back up and cut back.
And these highways that lead me down these narrow streets, only to find a dead
Oh, I hear that wood cracking.
Okay.
with no
Down.
detour
Oh,
Oh.
and no room
come in. Fuck
to
it.
turn around.
It'll level out.
So I pray I'm on the right path,
Slow.
'cause where I'm going I don't know, but I hope I find the
Hold it.
answers
Go
somewhere
back.
down the road.
Actually, Scott, have Richie side shift. Almost. Hold it. Take your time. Hold it. Come on. There you go.
Oh.
And it just dropped into a spot. Unfortunately, didn't get that part on camera, but it's in. It's in. Okay, now those are the wedges.
Yeah.
Something familiar, a friendly face, to know I'm close to home. 'Cause right now I'm so damn tired, not knowing where I'm headed. Again,
God damn it.
I could use a sign, something simple, to know I'm not alone. So I pray I'm on the right path, 'cause where I'm going I don't know, but I hope I find the answers somewhere down the